Most traders use the SuperTrend, but almost all of them use the outdated one. What if I told you there's a better SuperTrend version on TradingView that delivers near-perfect buy and sell signals with less lag and fewer fake moves? I've tested it, and the results are insane. Watch the entire video attentively to reveal the indicator name and our secret settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, Quant Algo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further delay, let's overview the most powerful version of the SuperTrend Indicator on TradingView and build a top-tier strategy with it. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator delivers sophisticated SuperTrend analysis through mean absolute deviation methodology, providing superior statistical properties compared to traditional ATR-based approaches. MAD calculations offer more robust volatility measurement, resistant to extreme outliers, while maintaining sensitivity to genuine market regime changes. As a result, traders receive institutional-grade trend detection. As you can see, the indicator looks far more modern than the old SuperTrend. That's because it replaces traditional ATR calculations with the mean absolute deviation methodology for adaptive volatility measurement and band construction. The system calculates an SMA baseline, the green and red mainline you see here, and then computes the MAD using the configurable look-back period set in the settings. In the next step, it applies factor multipliers, also configured in the settings, to create the upper and lower bands. These bands widen during strong trends and contract in weak conditions, helping identify accumulation and distribution zones. Finally, the indicator applies classic SuperTrend ratcheting logic on top of its novel functions to determine uptrends and downtrends. We even have an integrated filter in the settings that requires sufficient momentum before trend signals activate, filtering out weak or choppy market conditions. As a result, the indicator predicts trend changes 10 times more accurately than the old SuperTrend, which produces tons of false signals. In terms of the trading rules, when both the directional signal and the minimum strength threshold are breached, the indicator mainline becomes green and a green triangle appears. This green lights a long trade entry. Bingo, check out the explosive move that followed, delivering amazing gains. In a bearish scenario, when both the directional signal and the minimum strength threshold are met, the indicator mainline changes its color to red, and a red triangle appears, serving as a clear signal to go short. And there you have it, the price dropped immediately, allowing us to capitalize on a massive downward move. To add this next-level SuperTrend indicator, open the indicator window. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type MAD SuperTrend and click on this exact name. Want to level up your trading? Meet Quant Algo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant Algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, Algo will put you at a disadvantage. At this point, we cannot jump straight into trading. That's because there's a risk of getting trapped in a ranging market, where a series of false signals can lead to severe drawdowns or even wipe out an account. To prevent that, we need to spend some time optimizing the indicator settings and adding a trading filter that removes the highest possible number of false signals. So, open the settings menu, where we will be working with the following two parameters, which are very important. The first one is SMA length, which determines the SMA baseline later used to calculate the bands. A higher value produces a smoother mainline, while a lower value makes it more responsive. For the 15-minute time frame, we lowered it to 5. The next parameter is the MAD factor, which forms bands that automatically widen during high volatility phases and tighten during consolidation. Change the value to 3.7. At this point, we're going to integrate a secret trading filter To further improve the strategy, the confirmation indicator we added is designed specifically to help traders identify momentum shifts using volume analysis. By analyzing relative volume momentum, this filter shows whether the market is gaining strength or starting to lose momentum. So, to validate a long trade entry from the MAD SuperTrend Indicator, the volume momentum area should have a green color. On the opposite side, to confirm a sell signal from the MAD SuperTrend Indicator, the volume momentum area should be colored red. Voila, look at this filter in action, effectively removing the wrong signals that remained after optimizing the settings. To integrate this essential filter, go to the Indicators tab, search for volume momentum, and choose the one shown here. As with the first indicator, it only works properly with the right settings. With that, open the Inputs menu and change the volume rolling mean to 22, the percentile level to 48, and the smoothing period to 22. Here are perfect examples of long and short trades using our recommended risk management rules, where we place a stop level just below or above the most recent swing and targeting a take profit with a 1.5 for 1 risk to reward ratio. To evaluate the performance of our strategy, we will use the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, our state-of-the-art tool that provides backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in less than a minute. Just open the Builder's settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, select the parameter that matches the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the exact same steps for the sell signals. And now you can analyze your strategy like a pro. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. So, here's a theorem on the 15-minute time frame, showing the results using only the optimized SuperTrend indicator. And we can see a pretty good win rate of nearly 60%, along with a great net profit figure of 242%, particularly in the current market. However, the high maximum drawdown of 33% and a weak segment of the equity curve here indicate that further improvement is needed. With that, go to the Builder settings. Our filter is already integrated and optimized, so activate it here. Bingo! The win rate climbed to nearly 70%, and we brought the max drawdown down to a much more reasonable level. Even better, we got literally the same win rate with less than half the number of trades, meaning the profit per trade skyrocketed. Looking closer, the strategy delivered 9 pluses in a row compared to 4 straight losses. The equity curve is incredible, and the strategy completely beat a buy and hold approach. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.